Are you feeling overwhelmed and anxious with all of your schoolwork mixed with the uncertainty that comes along with a pandemic? You are definitely not alone. We have 60,000 thoughts a day. Our minds can be a bit of a mess, and we easily get worried about things more than we can cope with. One of the most powerful tools to get through this mentality is to practice mindfulness on a daily basis. This means that you will stay grounded while everything else is spiraling out of control. You can pretend that you've made peace with uncertainty. Even though it's not clear how long this new normal will last, or what things will be like when it's over. But one thing we do know is that worrying about it won't change the outcome. That's where mindfulness comes in. It's all about focusing on the present moment and not judging or overreacting to thoughts that are just what ifs. It's a tool that helps us find a place of calm and resilience while lowering your anxiety, depression, and overwhelming thoughts. Wouldn't it be amazing to be unbothered by the chaos of your mind? Have you tried meditation before? Let's give it a try. I promise you will feel better in just a few minutes. If everyone could start by sitting upright and getting comfortable, and then close your eyes. Turn your attention to the breath that connects the mind to the body. Feel its rhythm. Notice the start of each inhalation and the natural pause to where it connects with each exhalation. As you flow with the breath, let your body relax. Softening the eyes, relaxing the forehead, and sensing a slight smile on your lips. Then extend it down into your neck and shoulders. If anything feels tight, try to breathe into that place and let it relax. If you are feeling any discomfort somewhere in your body, try to just accept it as part of your experience and don't try to resist it. Resistance to pain or discomfort is frequently worse than the pain itself. Try to broaden your curiosity and acceptance in this practice. As you focus on your breath and find yourself constantly being distracted, that's completely normal. That's why we call it practice. So the goal here is to teach your mind how to focus on the breath, coming back again and again when you get off track. I'll give you a little bit to try this. Now, if you could all wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. So how does everyone feel? How do you feel different? I hope this introduction helped you to understand how important mindfulness and meditation are to heighten your mental health while experiencing your new normal. Please click on the resources listed below for meditation videos and articles for teenagers to help you move forward in your practice. Also, if you like this video and would like me to record another, please add a comment below. And finally, I hope you have a relaxing day, and it's important to note that if LeBron James, Lady Gaga, and Katy Perry swear by this stuff, maybe you will too.